The future of transportation is no longer a dream. It is already being built, tested, and prepared to change the way humans move forever. Deep inside China's advanced research and engineering facilities, a revolutionary machine is taking shape, the CRRC 600 km per hour high-speed maglev train, developed by the powerful industrial giant CRRC Corporation Limited. This is not just another train. This is a complete redefinition of speed, comfort, and technology. Imagine traveling at 600 km per hour on land. That is faster than most commercial airplanes during takeoff. It sounds impossible, yet this train is designed to make it a reality. Unlike traditional trains that depend on steel wheels rolling over tracks, this maglev system uses electromagnetic forces to lift itself above the guideway. There is no friction, no direct contact, and almost no resistance slowing it down. The result is a smooth, silent, and incredibly fast journey that feels closer to flying than riding a train. The concept of magnetic levitation has existed for decades, but what makes this project different is the scale, speed, and ambition behind it. Engineers have spent years perfecting every detail, from the shape of the train's nose to the stability of the magnetic fields that keep it floating. Every curve, every surface, and every component has been designed to handle extreme speeds without compromising safety or comfort. As the train begins to move, something extraordinary happens. Instead of the usual vibration and noise associated with traditional rail systems, there is only a gentle, almost surreal glide. The train lifts slightly above the track, and within moments, it accelerates rapidly. Passengers feel a smooth push as the speed increases, but without the harsh jolts or shaking that are common in conventional trains. It is a completely new sensory experience. Inside the train, the environment reflects the same level of innovation. The cabins are spacious, modern, and designed with a futuristic aesthetic. Soft ambient lighting creates a calm atmosphere, while advanced climate control systems ensure that the temperature remains perfect regardless of external conditions. The seats are ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, and the layout maximizes both space and privacy. Large panoramic windows allow passengers to witness the world rushing past at incredible speeds. Cities, fields, and landscapes blur into a seamless motion, creating a visual experience that is both thrilling and mesmerizing. Digital displays provide real-time information about speed, route, and travel time, giving passengers a constant sense of connection to the journey. One of the most impressive aspects of this train is its ability to accelerate so quickly. Because there is no physical contact between the train and the track, there is significantly less resistance. This allows the train to reach high speeds in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional high-speed rail. At the same time, advanced control systems ensure that acceleration remains smooth and controlled, preventing discomfort for passengers. The braking system is equally advanced. Instead of relying solely on mechanical friction, the train uses electromagnetic forces to slow down. This not only reduces wear and tear but also ensures a quieter and more efficient deceleration process. The result is a system that is not only faster but also more durable and cost-effective over the long term. From a technological perspective, the development of the CRRC Maglev train represents a massive leap forward. It requires an entirely new type of infrastructure, including specially designed guideways that can support magnetic levitation. These tracks must be built with extreme precision, as even minor deviations could affect stability at high speeds. Engineers have developed sophisticated construction techniques to ensure that every section of the track meets strict standards. Powering the train is another challenge that has been addressed through innovation. The system relies on a continuous supply of electricity to generate the magnetic fields needed for levitation and propulsion. This energy can be sourced from renewable technologies, making the train an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional transportation methods. As the world moves toward sustainable solutions, this maglev system offers a glimpse of what clean, high-speed travel could look like. Safety is at the core of the design. The train is equipped with advanced sensors and monitoring systems that track every aspect of its operation in real time. These systems can detect even the smallest irregularities and respond instantly. In the event of an issue, automated protocols can adjust speed, stabilize the train, or bring it to a safe stop. This level of automation significantly reduces the risk of human error and enhances overall reliability. Another important feature is the integration of artificial intelligence. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize performance, predict maintenance needs, and improve efficiency. Over time, the train becomes smarter, learning from its operations and continuously refining its performance. This makes it not just a machine, but an evolving system that adapts to changing conditions. The economic impact of such a train could be enormous. By dramatically reducing travel times between major cities, it has the potential to reshape entire regions. Business travel becomes faster and more convenient, tourism increases, and new opportunities for development emerge. Cities that were once considered distant could become part of a single connected network. For example, a journey that currently takes several hours by train or car could be reduced to just a fraction of that time. This opens up new possibilities for daily commuting, allowing people to live farther from their workplaces without sacrificing time. It also creates new connections between regions, fostering economic growth and collaboration. However, the path to widespread adoption is not without challenges. Building a maglev network requires significant investment and long-term planning. The infrastructure is complex and expensive, and it cannot simply replace existing rail systems. Governments and companies must carefully evaluate where and how to implement this technology to achieve the greatest benefit. Public perception is another factor. While the technology is safe and reliable, it represents a major shift from traditional transportation methods. People must be introduced to the concept, understand its advantages, and gain confidence in its safety. This requires effective communication, demonstration projects, and a gradual rollout strategy. Despite these challenges, the momentum behind maglev technology continues to grow. Countries around the world are exploring similar systems, inspired by the progress being made in China. As competition increases, innovation accelerates, leading to even more advanced solutions. Looking ahead, the CRRC 600 km/h maglev train is just the beginning. It represents a stepping stone toward even more ambitious projects, including ultra-high-speed systems that could exceed 1,000 km/h. Researchers are already exploring concepts such as vacuum tube transportation, which could further reduce resistance and enable unprecedented speeds. In this context, the current maglev project is not just about building a faster train. It is about redefining the limits of what is possible. It challenges traditional assumptions about transportation and opens the door to a new era of mobility. As testing continues, engineers are collecting valuable data that will shape the future of the system. Every trial run provides insights into performance, safety, and efficiency. This iterative process ensures that the final product meets the highest standards and delivers on its promises. The global implications of this technology are significant. If successfully implemented, it could reduce the reliance on air travel for medium-distance journeys, leading to lower emissions and a more sustainable transportation system. It could also inspire new industries and create opportunities for innovation in related fields. At its core, the CRRC Maglev train is a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition. It demonstrates what can be achieved when technology, vision, and determination come together. It is not just a machine, it is a glimpse into the future. And as that future approaches, one question remains: are we ready to embrace it? As the world stands on the edge of a transportation revolution, the CRRC 600 km/h high-speed maglev train continues to push the boundaries of what humanity once believed was impossible. What began as a bold engineering experiment is now evolving into a system that could redefine global mobility. Developed by CRRC Corporation Limited, this maglev is not just about speed, it is about creating an entirely new travel experience. As development progresses, one of the most critical areas of focus is passenger experience at extreme speeds. Traveling at 600 km/h is not just about moving faster, it is about maintaining comfort, stability, and safety at a level never seen before in ground transportation. Engineers have carefully studied human tolerance to acceleration, vibration, and sound to ensure that passengers feel relaxed, not overwhelmed. Inside the train, everything is designed to reduce stress and enhance comfort. The cabins are pressurized and insulated to maintain a consistent environment regardless of speed or weather conditions outside. Even at top speed, passengers can walk, sit, or work as if they were in a stationary environment. Noise levels are kept extremely low due to the absence of wheel-track friction, creating a peaceful and almost futuristic atmosphere. Lighting systems automatically adjust based on time of day and travel conditions, helping passengers stay comfortable during long journeys. Smart glass windows may even adapt to sunlight intensity, reducing glare while maintaining visibility. In premium sections, passengers could experience luxury-level seating, entertainment systems, and personalized climate zones, turning travel time into a relaxing experience rather than a tiring one. Another major advancement is connectivity. The train is expected to offer high-speed internet powered by next-generation communication systems, allowing passengers to stay connected even while traveling at extreme speeds. This means business travelers can attend meetings, stream content, or manage work without interruption. The concept of lost travel time could become a thing of the past. Behind the scenes, the operation of the train relies on an intricate network of digital systems. Artificial intelligence plays a central role in monitoring and controlling the train's performance. Every second, thousands of data points are analyzed, including speed, temperature, magnetic field strength, and track alignment. This data-driven approach ensures that the train operates at peak efficiency while maintaining maximum safety. Maintenance is also being transformed through predictive technology. Instead of waiting for parts to wear out or fail, the system can predict when maintenance is needed and address issues before they become problems. This reduces downtime, lowers costs, and ensures a more reliable service for passengers. From an infrastructure perspective, the expansion of maglev networks presents both challenges and opportunities. Building dedicated guideways requires significant investment, but it also creates jobs, stimulates economic growth, and drives technological innovation. Entire industries may emerge around the construction, maintenance, and operation of these systems. Governments play a crucial role in this transformation. Strategic planning, funding, and policy support are essential to bring maglev technology from prototype to widespread use. Public-private partnerships may become a key model for financing these large-scale projects, combining the resources and expertise of both sectors. At the same time, environmental considerations remain a top priority. The CRRC Maglev system is designed to be energy efficient and environmentally friendly. By relying on electricity rather than fossil fuels, it significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions. When combined with renewable energy sources, it has the potential to become one of the cleanest forms of transportation available. Urban planning is also likely to change as a result of this technology. Cities connected by ultra-high-speed maglev lines could function as part of a larger, mega-region, where distance becomes less of a barrier. This could lead to new patterns of living and working, with people commuting between cities in ways that were previously unimaginable. Imagine a future where traveling between major cities takes less than an hour. Business meetings, family visits, and even daily commutes could span distances that are currently considered impractical. This level of connectivity could reshape societies, bringing people closer together and creating new opportunities for collaboration and growth. Despite its promise, the journey toward full implementation is still ongoing. Extensive testing is required to ensure that the system performs reliably under all conditions. Engineers must consider factors such as extreme weather, seismic activity, and long-term durability. Each challenge must be addressed through careful design and rigorous testing. International interest in maglev technology is growing rapidly. Countries around the world are watching closely, studying China's progress and exploring how similar systems could be implemented in their own regions. This global interest could lead to collaboration, competition, and further innovation in the field. As more countries invest in high-speed transportation, the race to build faster, more efficient systems is accelerating. The CRRC Maglev train stands at the forefront of this race, setting new benchmarks and inspiring the next generation of engineers and innovators. Looking even further into the future, the possibilities become even more exciting. Researchers are exploring ways to integrate maglev technology with other advanced systems, such as vacuum tubes and hyperloop concepts. These ideas could push speeds beyond 1,000 kilometers per hour, bringing us closer to a world where distance is almost irrelevant. In such a world, travel would no longer be defined by time constraints. Instead, it would become a seamless part of daily life, enabling people to move freely and efficiently across vast distances. The boundaries between cities, regions, and even countries could begin to blur, creating a more connected and integrated global society. The CRRC 600 km per hour high-speed maglev train is more than just a technological achievement, it is a symbol of what humanity can accomplish when innovation meets ambition. It represents a future where transportation is faster, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. As the project moves closer to reality, the excitement continues to build. Each milestone brings us one step closer to a new era of travel, where the impossible becomes possible and the future becomes the present. And when that moment finally arrives, when the first passengers step aboard and experience the incredible speed and smoothness of this revolutionary train, it will mark the beginning of a new chapter in human history. A chapter defined not by limitations, but by possibilities.